Good morning, everybody. It's Jenny Peterson, author of the Cancer Survivor's Garden Companion, and this is your wellness tip of the day. Sometimes in the past, I have been known to photograph my plate of food, and I know that there's a big Facebook joke about that, or, posting pictures of your food online, but I like to keep myself accountable by posting pictures of food when it's healthy. So often I will have pictures of, my plate of food, and then I have this white it looks like a cream sauce that I put on different things, and so many times people say, what is that sauce and how do you make it? Well, it's a cashew cream sauce, and it doesn't mean it has any cream in it, just means it's a creamy consistency. So I want to show you how easy it is to make it. I actually just ran through this in a previous video and sort of messed it up, so I can't put the ingredients in again. Welcome to Jenny's world. Oh my God, this is my life, y'all. So I'm just gonna show you what I've got in here. It's this is my Brett's super old, super vintage Hamilton Beach food processor. Woo, we're fancy around here, but it's whatever works, right? You need to start out with a cup of raw cashews, not salted, not roasted, not honey roasted, not anything. Raw cashews. Soak them, cover them with water, soak them for an hour to 2 hours, and rinse and drain them. Put the cashews into your food processor, and then you're going to add 2/3 of a cup, about a half to 2/3 of a cup of water, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 clove of garlic. If you find that it's not flavorful enough for you, don't add more salt, because then you're making it not healthy. Add more garlic. Another half clove to a full clove of garlic, not more salt. It has plenty of salt in it already. So just put all of those 4 ingredients in the food processor. Here we go. And the way I like to use this is if you make it with a little bit less water, it's more of a dip kind of consistency, and then it's great for cut up vegetables. If it's a little bit more water added to it, then you can use it to pour over, say, sautéed greens like kale or spinach or chard. It's lovely over that. I sometimes will put a tiny, tiny little dollop of it over like my black beans as a side dish. And we're not talking making your food swim in a cashew sauce. We're just talking about as like a condiment on top, and it's a much more healthy version than many other condiments because you know what's going in it. So this is the consistency. I'm gonna put some on a carrot here. This is what the consistency is. It just looks like a dip. That's how thick I made it. And you can make it just as thick as you want or as thin as you want by adding or subtracting water. But anyway, this is so good. I don't know why I just did that. That's so rude. I'm eating in front of you guys. And it's so delicious. I hope you like this. Try it. Let me know if you try the recipe and you like it. I love things like this. Quick, easy, inexpensive, and healthy. So boom, there you go. Please join me again, not tomorrow, but on Monday when I have another wellness tip for you. And until then, be well and keep gardening and have a great weekend, everybody. I'm still eating. Why am I doing this? I'm so rude.